The journey begins here, as fresh potatoes arrive from farms in massive trucks, rolling into a factory where precision matters more than quantity. Every potato entering this facility is about to be tested, not as food, but as potential perfection. As the potatoes move forward on long conveyor belts, advanced cameras and laser sensors scan every surface. Any potato that fails the standard is silently removed. Next comes purification. Powerful streams of pressurized water crash over the potatoes, washing away soil, dust, and every trace of the field. The potatoes pass through high-speed slicing machines, where razor-sharp blades cut them into perfectly even slices. Each slice is measured in millimeters. The slices are briefly blanched. They pass through hot water or steam baths, removing excess starch and stabilizing color. The slices enter drying tunnels, where controlled hot air removes surface water. Steam rises as the slices glide forward, lighter, drier, and ready for heat. Now comes the heart of the process. The potato slices descend into massive fryers, filled with oil heated to exact temperatures. They pass over vibrating screens and rotating drums. Excess oil is gently shaken away, leaving behind a clean, crisp texture. Never greasy, never heavy. Flavor is added with precision. The chips tumble inside rotating seasoning drums, are evenly distributed in controlled motion. Every chip receives the same attention. Heat must now be reduced. Cooling conveyors stretch across the factory floor, while powerful fans bring the chips to packing temperature. This step locks in crunch and prepares them for final inspection. Quality control is constant. Sensors check color and shape, while human inspectors examine random samples by hand. Taste, texture, and appearance are all judged before approval is given. Approved chips move into automated weighing systems. Each portion is measured with extreme accuracy, ensuring consistency in every bag. No more, no less. The chips fall into airtight packaging. Finally, finished bags are labeled, boxed, and stacked by robots. They are stored in controlled warehouses, ready to travel across cities and countries. From a simple potato to a perfectly engineered chip. This is how crunch is manufactured.